What is poppin', guys? Welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to go over the really hot topic of Tron. Tron to the moon. In Tron we trust. Guys, especially Sean is very bullish on Tron. He loves Tron. He loves the project, the people behind it, and I completely believe in it as well. Both of us are heavily invested into Tron, and it's finally hitting its bounce back. Now, with this market cap dropping well below $500 billion, closer to the $400 billion mark, Tron had dropped all the way down to, I think, about 4 cents. Let's check out the 7-day real quick. Yeah, at its lowest, it dropped down to 4.8 cents. That is extremely low, and that is very scary, especially for you guys that I know bought in closer to around 20 cents. I'm sorry if you got it at there, but it's not the end of the world. I can still see Tron hitting back up to its 30 cents and passing it from there, hitting up 60 to 70 cents, hitting $1, maybe even up to $1.50 within the next year. Who knows? I'm not quite as bullish as Sean is, saying it's going to hit $5, but I think it's realistic for Tron to go over $1 fairly easily within the next few months, just because of how solid of a project it is. I mean, it's sitting at a $5 billion market cap currently. That's, although high compared to a lot of other things, it's only ranked number 13. I could see Tron hitting a $50 billion market cap within the next few months, putting it at 76 cents. And if you bought in at 20 cents, you're looking at almost 4 times gains. So don't be too scared or too upset that you got it at 20 cents or 25 cents, because I think there are still major gains in your future. Now, if the rest of you got it lower, more power to you. I bought quite a bit of it at 10 cents, and then I bought even more of it just yesterday, late in the night. So I guess it was like 5 in the morning. I got some more of it sitting at 5 cents. So I'm sitting pretty strong in it's sitting pretty strong in Tron, and it's already doing really well, up 53%. I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. I know there's a lot of you guys that are backing Tron and are really excited to see where it can go up to. But let's go check out their website. This man right here, Justin Sun, he is the reason, guys. This is the reason that this project does so well. He is a very intelligent and business-oriented man. He knows what he's doing. Now, I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are saying, man, Justin Sun is a scam artist. He's just trying to get all of our money and he's going to disappear, kind of like BitConnect. And I know you guys are pretty pissed off about BitConnect, just like we all are. But that's not who he is, guys. I want you guys to go check him out, follow his Twitter, stuff like that. This guy is I think he's a really decent just person, but also like their team is amazing and he's the leader of it. So it's like you can't go wrong. So Justin Sun is the former chief and representative of Greater China of Ripple, and this is his team right here. You probably don't know most of them. You don't really need to know most of them. Just know that they're all very good at what they do. That's what you need to know. They're putting a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort into everything that they do. Now, this is their scheduled trajectory. They're pretty on course with pretty much everything. And then the last thing that they had on there was the first quarter of 2018. The test network and major network of Tron protocol were launched. And I think that's helping it a lot. And just the fact that this is a project that people get behind because of how much, I think a lot of it is how high it is on the coin market cap. And a lot of it just has to do with the idea of what it is. And I think it's going to do well, guys. It's already, look at that. It's already up to over 8 cents now. That's doing really, really good. I'm so excited. I just can't let you guys know how excited I am about it. I'm very bullish on it. And I'm ready to see Tron to the moon. I know you guys are. Tell me what your predictions are in the comment. What do you think that Tron will hit in the future? Do you think that this could be getting up closer to, up to Ripple right now? If it got up to Ripple right now, where Ripple is right now, it'd be sitting at about 80 cents. And we're looking at major, major gains just from that. But do you think it could hit $100 trillion where Ethereum is? Obviously, these other things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ripple all will probably go up and up from here, so they won't be at $100 trillion whenever by the time Tron gets there. But do you think Tron can make it all the way to $100 trillion? Oh, I'm sorry, not trillion. $100 billion. Sorry, I get the words mixed up sometimes. $100 billion. Do you think Tron can make it there? I think it's possible, but I think it's going to take some time. I don't think we're going to see that just absolute skyrocket out of nowhere from 8 cents to 30 cents back down to 4 cents. I hope we don't, because I love the volatility of cryptocurrencies, but that is a little too much for me personally. So, it wears on my heart, guys. But I do think that in the long run, if you put a long hold on Tron and wait for it to get up closer to the 50 billion, 50 billion to $100 billion, you'll be looking pretty, guys. Maybe set aside half of it to sell whenever you feel comfortable at 5 to 10 times gains, and the other half to wait for it to hit 20 to 30 times gains, or just wherever you guys want to sell it. I would recommend deciding that now so you kind of have an idea. Man, aren't y'all just excited about all this green though, guys? We're seeing a sea of green in almost every single project right now. That is amazing. I'm so happy. My account was going down. I know all of y'all's were. Everybody was. Everybody was affected by this. And my account, I think I was sitting at like a third of my account. I was sitting at like 33% of where my account was at its all-time high. That's a very scary thing, but I made sure to hodl. Guys, that's the main thing. Just hold, and you can't lose your money. You can't lose money until you sell it. So I could have sold it there, had a third of what I had in the past, but that would have sucked. But instead, I held it, and now I'm already back up to 66% of where I was. So I'm already doubled where I was yesterday. And then I also put in more money yesterday to strengthen my position in a lot of places, especially Tron. Tron was the thing that I put a lot. I probably doubled my position in Tron and got a bunch more sitting at 5 cents. And I think it's done very well already. I'm excited to see where it goes. I also bought into Ripple sitting under $1, and now it's already up to $1.34. I think Ripple could easily shoot back up to $253. So I'm excited about that. Bitcoin already up to $11,451. It was sitting below $10,000. So big jump for Bitcoin. I know a lot of you guys hold positions in Bitcoin, and I think that's a smart long-term game. I think that's the smartest long-term game that you can do. But guys, this sorry, I trailed off there a little bit. It's about Tron. Tron is just going up. It's already 8.1 cents. I think it's just going to keep going up. I think it could easily, within this by the end of the month, be recovering closer to its right around here, closing in on its peak, getting up to 28 cents almost. I think that is easily possible. So just hodl long-term, guys. Tron is an amazing project. What they do is amazing, and a lot of people are backing it. If you look at the volume, it is sitting at, what is that? Yeah, $1.4 billion volume. So that means it's sitting at the top of a lot of the markets, especially on Binance and stuff, on the exchanges of people trading it back and forth. That means a lot of people's eyes are on Tron right now. And that is a really good thing. You always want to see that a lot of people are really into the cryptocurrency that you're looking at. You don't want this trading volume to be super low. That means most people aren't paying attention to it right now. But, guys, this is, I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Me and Sean are just two down-to-earth guys trying to help you guys out. We're not pushing any agenda. If you don't want to invest into it, then don't, because I can't guarantee anything. Nobody can guarantee anything on here. This is just my personal advice. I'm trying to make money. I want you to make money. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for all the support, guys. Like, comment down below what you think Tron is going to get up to, if you think it's going to blow up soon, if you think it's going to be a steady increase. Mash that subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by February 1st, and we are right on track for that. We are actually past where we need to be to get to 1,000. So I'm so excited for that. You guys have been giving us so much love, and we appreciate y'all so much. And we just thank you so much. But other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video.